Hey, good morning. Hey, what I'm going to do is demonstrate thread fade out using the electric lead screw reverse. So I'm going to go over here and get set up. Oh, got to click on the machine, start warming those tube filaments up. I don't know if this is, well, it seems to be okay there. Okay, work light come on, the fan come on, and the tubes are starting to warm up. I'm going to put a piece of aluminum in here. Get that there. Get this all cleaned up here. Add a little drop of oil on there. That's not too much. Find the pin. Okay, piece of aluminum here. Got a lock knob here. In there pretty snug. Okay. Looks good. Okay, I'll let it warm up a little bit and I will be back. Hey, back here preparing the machine for thread cutting, and it's really extremely important to oil that screw. Get lots of oil on there. That's an expensive screw. Okay, now I'll be back in another minute and I'll show you some other stuff. Okay, I got the work 1 inch piece of aluminum set up in this adjustable for run out collet chuck. Now I copied this chuck from a CNC device. That's exactly the same. It's a 2-piece body, and it's adjusted with screws like a buck adjust true chuck. Okay, I got that in there. I think you can see it. It's running within a 0.5 thousandths, and I could adjust that out, but it's not needed. So take that away. And I've showed this before. It's just something that I do. This is how I set tool height with this antique vernier height gauge and a little mechanical indicator in there. It looks good. I set this, I can check this with this old tool holder here that's set for the proper height. That's how I keep this thing at 0, okay? So it's just a quick way to set tool height. At least I found anyway. And I can vary it a little bit and see where it's at. So here's the cutting tool I'm going to use. It's I machine ground this on the cutter grinder. It's just high-speed steel, good old Momax cobalt. Got it in there, got it set up. Okay, I'm going to have to move the camera to get the ELSR set up, and I'll probably go ahead and show that. Okay. Okay, I got the stop set for this electric lead screw reverse, and we're going to do a thread fade out, and I'm going to cut into that about 1 inch, then fade the thread out. 16 threads per inch. I was hoping that might be fairly visible. So I'm going to feed it in a little bit here. I'll take a fairly good bite. I got a high-speed steel tool in here. Hopefully it'll be more visible. Okay, so everything's locked up. The tool's ready to cut, and when you hear the switch click, I'm going to back the tool out. So here it goes. Okay, now we go back to the start. I'll get a little bit. I'm going to put a little more lube on there. This aluminum likes to weld. I'll give it a little bit more of a bite there. And here we go. Oh, I forgot to advance the tool. Okay, but I got more lube on there anyway. Okay. Advance the tool. Here we go. That'll be a pretty good bite this time. Here we go. Very good. Back to the start. Okay. Get a little bit more of a bite here. Brush just a little bit of that stuff in there. A little wax lube. Okay. Back on the compound, give it another bite. Okay, here we go. I think I pulled a little soon. Back it off. Looking pretty good. Get the tool back. Another bite. Here we go. Ah. Looking nice. Let's see how the tops of those threads are looking. A little deeper. Okay. A little more of a bite here. And here we go. Now, in hydraulics and other applications, you don't want a thread relief groove. You want the thread to fade out. I'm looking at the tops of the crest of the thread here, and it needs more. I'll bite it out a little bit there. This wax lube works really good on that high-speed turning. It stays on the work. Okay, we're going to go back and take another good bite. Okay, everything looks good. Here we go. Oh, yeah! As soon as I heard that switch, I pulled the tool back. And back we go again. Yeah. Now let's have a quick look at that. Let me get this, wipe that off a little bit. And I'm going to take it out of gear. So I can rotate the spindle. I still have it locked up. Let's look where the thread faded out. See if I can get real close. Yeah, see right here. Faded out. Not bad. You just take a little file and get that burr off there, and of course file the start of the thread, and that's good. That makes that pretty easy, it really does. And especially get a little bit out of practice cutting threads. And with the device, you can run right up to a shoulder. So that's the advantage of the electric lead screw reverse. Now, if you don't have that, then you become the electric lead screw reverse. You have to watch the work, and you'll have a lever like this one here, and it's really easy to manipulate. You just watch the work, have your right hand here to withdraw the tool, and here to shut the spindle down. So that's how that is. I hope you're all doing good today. It's actually started snowing again, but I don't think it's gonna keep snowing. But spring's got to be around the corner, I think. I was really surprised. I didn't know how many videos I put out. I just turn on the camera, whenever I'm in here, I'm doing something. And this is the 445th video. I can't believe that. But I don't know. I'm probably good for another 1,300. I don't know, maybe a couple thousand. But I have a lot of fun in here, and some of you guys have a lot of fun watching. So I'll keep going at it. Okay, bye-bye.